Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix Google saved password not showing or Google saved password missing problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out Google. Click on Google. Now go to your Gmail. Now click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Security and Sign In. Click on Password Manager. Now click on Setting. From here, turn on Automatic Sign In. Now go back to your phone setting. Go to your app section. Now search Google Play Service. Go to Google Play Service. Scroll down, click on Storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from Google Play Services. So please follow this 2 steps to fix Google saved password not showing problem.